Virtual tour. You guys need the spray foam business? Meet my good friend Dustin Busby.
What up, what up?
He owns his own business, guys. He's been out spray foaming in Colorado. And we just kind of want to give you a tour of his little truck because I never seen it, so he's going to show me.
You want me to explain how it works?
Yeah, show me. Tell me.
All right, so you got your A side material and B side material. B side is resin. A side is isocyanate. They both get pumped out of the barrels, come into the proportioner where it gets pressurized. Each side is heated independently. You have to basically set your temperatures according to the ambient temperature. And they get heated up, get pumped through the hose. The hose is heated itself. And then at the end of the gun is where it mixes at.
What's this, your big fuel tank?
Yeah, so this is the diesel generator that powers the heaters. That's the compressor that pressurizes the whole system.
Wow.
And then it comes through these lines and it mixes right at the end of the gun.
That's tight, dude. How long you been in business?
Going on 2 years.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
So check them out, guys.
Yep, Nova Coatings LLC.
Don't forget.
This tower in particular, there's 26 individual seals and O-rings inside this tower alone. And if one of them goes bad, it affects the whole system. Constantly repairing stuff. One thing that's made my life a hell of a lot easier, Graco actually made these cartridges for the guns. So instead of having to have independent parts, it's all built into one cartridge. So whenever it plugs up, you just pull it, throw it away, and put a new one in.
Nice.
And your downtime is reduced by a lot.
Sweet.
Yeah. So if you're thinking of getting in the spray foam business,
It's a lot to it.
there's a lot to it.